Hello guys! Welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Emirates flight ticket date online using their website or mobile app. To get started, open your browser and head over to Emirates.com. At the top main navigation bar, locate and click on the Manage menu option. From the drop-down panel underneath, select Manage Your Booking to open up the reservation retrieval system. Here, you will be required to fill in two crucial details. First, type in the passenger's last name exactly as it appears on your original flight ticket. And second, enter your unique 6-character booking reference code, or PNR, found on your email confirmation. Once those are filled out, click the Retrieve Booking button. If your ticket class is eligible for digital modifications, the system will open your active itinerary and present a change flight option. From there, you can select your preferred new travel dates through the live calendar. Just keep in mind that depending on your ticket conditions, date changes may require additional fees or fare differences that must be settled securely online. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.